Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
Other members, where are you? Good evening. Okay, I hope other members are listening. Welcome to this forum. My name is Kiprono Nicodemus. I'll be taking you through a topic called computer networks. Okay, so I request for your maximum cooperation during this session and all shall be well. First thing, I think we'll start by defining what's a computer network. Okay, a computer network is an interconnection of two or more computers that are able to exchange information. The computers may be connected via any data communication link, that is like a copper wire. Computer networks have opened up an entire frontier in the world of computing, which we call it what? A client-server model. Okay, someone to take us through types of network and how they are being classified. Someone? Okay, thank you, Deborah. Thank you very much. Okay, as we move on, we are trying to look at the basis of the science under the classification of computer networks. We have three classification, of which in our own normal term we call it LAN, the other one is MAN, and the last one is what we call a WAN, that is a wide area network. First thing, we'll start by seeing what's a LAN. Okay, LAN stands for a local area network. Okay, it connects computers in small area like rooms, building, or even offices. They are privately owned networks to exchange information. Okay, some of the examples of this LAN include what we call a star, that is based on topology. We have what you call a star, a bus, and a ring. Okay, when we delve more on the type of LAN under the Wi-Fi wireless network connectivity, we introduce the term wireless to represent Wi-Fi. So in Wi-Fi, under the topology of LAN, we term it as a wireless local network, local area network. When we proceed to MAN, this stands for a metropolitan area network. It is a network that is spread over a city. Under our own normal understanding, we might define MAN as the interconnection of several LANs, that is local area networks. And a good example of this MAN is seen in TV cable networks. Thank you. Somebody to take us through what is a wide area network? Eda? Eda? Okay, it seems Eda's a challenge with the connectivity of network. Thank you. Continue. Thank you. Thank you, Eda. Thank you very much. We proceed. We proceed. Now, we have this issue called a topology. I can okay, let me take you through the definition of the term topology. Okay, this is a physical way in which computers are connected. Now, the five basic network structures that we have under this topology are: number one, star topology; number two is what we call a bus topology; number three is what we call it a ring topology; then we have a mesh topology; and lastly, what we call a tree topology. Now, we start by looking at what is a star topology. Okay, devices are connected to a central computer called hub in a star topology. It is appropriate for organizations that require centralized databases. I hope everyone knows about what is this centralized database. Okay, it may be used in banking for centralized record keeping, that is in an online branch office environment. Its advantage is that it is easy to add or to remove nodes because each nodes are connected to a central computer called a hub. And one of the disadvantages that this star topology has is that if a central hub fails, the whole network ceases to what? To function. Reason being, it's like in this topology that we have what we call a base connection, that is an hub. The second the second one is what we call a bus topology. In bus topology, a single network cable runs in the building or a campus, and all nodes are linked along with this communication line with two endpoints called what? A bus or a backbone. Okay, this bus topology is very popular on LAN, and its advantage is that it is very reliable in very small network as well as easy to use and to understand. Now, its disadvantage is that a heavy network traffic can slow a bus consistently. Thank you. Now, Victor, that is Vincent, to take us through what we call a ring topology. Vincent, is my screen shareable? Vincent? Vincent? Okay, if Vincent is not around or is held up by network connectivity, can somebody else take us through ring topology? Okay, sir, can you take us through ring topology? Okay, thank you, Vincent. Thank you very much. Now, let me take you through mesh topology. In a mesh topology, there is a random connection of nodes using the communication links. It is the general topology for one. It can be fully connected or connected with only one partial link. Now, in the advantage part of it is that the reliability is very high as there are always alternate paths available if direct links between node is down. That is one of the advantage. And now when you look at the other side of its disadvantage is that cost of installing and maintaining these mesh topologies is usually very high. Then we have the last one called tree topology. Now this is a extension of a star topology as it connects one star network to other star networks. So this is just an extension of a star topology. Now, its advantage is that error detection and correction are very easy because all nodes are connected in a star shape. Now, the disadvantage is that with an increase in size beyond a certain point, now the management of this tree topology poses a challenge. Now, for now, I'll not be taking you through much of the protocol in this network connectivity, but I'm just going to highlight some with what they mean. Now, in a protocol, we have what we call a TCP. TCP is a transmission control protocol. I hope everyone have come across that term, TCP. Now, we have IP. This one, we normally see them on our computers when we are under the Wi-Fi connection. These are internet protocol. Then we have what we call an HTTP. That is a hypertext transfer protocol. This one, we normally see them when we try to access a website. So this one gives us an hyper, that is a text transfer protocol. Then we have what we call a FTP. When we are sharing our files, even through the Gmail, we normally use what we call an FTP, that is a file transfer protocol. Then we have, okay, a secure form of now HTTP called HTTPS. So this is an hypertext transfer protocol which is secure. Last but not least, we have some hardware components while we are connected on the internet. The first one is what we call an hub. This is a multi-port connecting device that is for LAN. It is a multi-port connecting device. Number two, you have a repeater. We have what we call a repeater. This one amplifies the signal before passing it to another what? Another component. We have a bridge. This one connects network with same protocol and topology. Then we have the last one, gateway. Okay, gateway is a device that connects two or more networks with different types of protocol. I think that marks the end of my presentation. Let me congratulate you all for taking this session very seriously. I've enjoyed your cooperation. Thank you very much. We meet on our next session.